Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today to discuss an important topic. And our topic for today is about HIV awareness. Let's start with the basics. What is HIV?
Good day, I'm Jennifer Albacete. Now let's talk about HIV. So what is HIV? HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It's a virus that attacks the body's immune system, specifically the CD4 cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections.
Hi, I'm Regeline Aguilar. So how is HIV transmit? It's primarily spread through unprotected sex, sharing needles, and from mother to child during pregnancy or breastfeeding. But the good news is that HIV is preventable. Using condoms, getting tested regularly, and knowing your partner's status can significantly reduce the risk. Thank you.
Pre-exposure prophylaxis, or PrEP, is another powerful tool in preventing HIV transmission. It's a medication taken daily that can reduce the risk of getting HIV through sex.
Support and stigma. Number 5. One of the biggest challenges people living with HIV faces is stigma. It's essential to understand the HIV is not moral failing, and the people with HIV deserve a compassion, support, and respect. Let's work together to break down these barriers and create more inclusive community.
For those living with HIV, antiretroviral therapy can help manage the virus, allowing people to lead healthy lives with proper treatment. Individuals with HIV can live long, fulfilling lives and even achieve viral suppression, which means the virus is undetectable and untransmittable.
Really meant to say is HIV awareness is crucial for prevention, support, and reducing stigma. By educating ourselves and others, we can create a more informed and compassionate community. Let's continue to spread awareness and support those affected by HIV.